Join me for a week in my life as an MSci Environmental Geoscience student. Most days I get to the Kathleen Lonsdale building for Earth Sciences at about 9 a.m. Our foyer is very cool. It has rock samples as well as a dinosaur skeleton. Today is an exciting day, and that's because I'm using the scanning electron microscope for the first time ever. And this is for my master's project, which is looking at the composition of garnets from a volcano in southern Spain. This is the scanning electron microscope. 2 of my samples are in this chamber. There are electrons being shot at it, and this is the image that is coming up. This is a garnet with quartz inclusions, and I've just tested the inclusion to see what minerals it's made up of, and as you can see, mostly silica, and that's why we think it is a quartz. I am still on the SEM, been here for about 5 hours now, but it's going really well. I'm getting some really lovely images of my garnets. I'm getting a good idea of what the composition of the inclusions are within them, and documenting it all in my notes. Today I'm back on the SEM. Look at this. This is a little white inclusion in one of the garnets, and I'm trying to work out what it is because this is the chemical composition, and I'm not sure because it's got a lot of rare earth elements in it. After a full day on the SEM, I went with my friend Justin to see a new show in the West End. We're going to see a show! The next day, I got to the master's workroom early to get some work done before my lectures, and got a coffee before the second one. And after 2 lectures and a seminar, I had to go back onto the SEM. Here I am back on the SEM once again, 3rd time this week, and I need to get all my data done and downloaded. So I'm going to stay here until I get that done. It is currently 7:51, and I'm getting some concentration data for all these elements in this bit of the sample. It's really interesting because the manganese obviously increases a lot around this area compared to this area, and gives some clues into the kind of magmatic history of these garnets. It's now 2:20 a.m. and I finally finished the work I needed to do for tonight, and I'm on my way home. I'm gonna get the bus. After a bit of a sleep in and doing some more work the next day, I went to an Arsenal vs Real Madrid women's football game with a few of my friends. It's a new day and I'm on the reflected light microscope in one of the labs in my department. This is a sample with a garnet in it, and that's it on the screen. I am now on my way home after a long but successful day on the microscopes again, and I have treated myself to a Deliveroo. I ordered it on the bus home and it should be here within half an hour. So it's finally the weekend, it's finally Saturday. Yeah, I still have work to do. So I'm going to be doing that now, and then I've got a party to go to later. I've also made myself a nice oats latte to keep myself going. I'm now in the tube waiting for my train to get to my friend's party. It's the next day, it's Sunday, and I'm just having a nice breakfast. I'm having beans on toast and a nice coffee. And then later on, I'm going to go and do some work in a cafe with my friend Faye. And then I am going to go to the cinema to watch a climate documentary. The cafe we went to was really lovely and we got a good amount of work done. Then at Finsbury Park Picture House, I saw 3 really insightful documentaries about the climate crisis, followed by a panel discussion, and made some yummy miso aubergine for dinner. Thanks for joining me for a week in my life.